Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out all the notifications that are recently cleared or dismissed in Samsung smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So on the above you can see I have already received some notifications, right? So you can see below there is a clear. So if I tap on clear, now I won't be able to see the notification again. So now you might be thinking, if I want to see back all those notifications that I have recently cleared or dismissed in Samsung smartphones, so by default it may not be possible. So now what you need to do is just go to the phone settings, and now you can see here one option, notifications. Just tap on it, and now you will see an option written advanced settings. Let's tap on it. Now you will see again one option written notification history. Just tap on it. So by default this notification history option will be turned off on every Samsung smartphone. So in order to save or store all the recently cleared or dismissed notifications, you need to enable this so that your all the notifications that you have recently cleared or dismissed get stored here. So once you enable this, whenever you receive any notifications, then it will be saved here. Now after enabling the notification history option, you can find out all the notifications that are recently cleared or dismissed in Samsung smartphones. So whenever you open the notification history, so you can clearly see all the notification history that you have recently cleared or dismissed here. So just by enabling this notification history options, you can easily find out all the notifications that are recently cleared or dismissed in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool features included in your Samsung smartphones, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.